Hello guys, how you doing? Today we are making a very healthy smoothie. The nutrition is on screen now. So this is called the peanut butter and jelly smoothie. So first of all, we need to add 130 mils of water. And we're going to add some nutty almond. We need 130 mils of nutty almond. So almond milk. We need to add 95 grams of mixed berries. We're going to use porridge oats, and we need 20 grams of rolled oats. We're going to use protein powder. And we're going to need 1 cup. So 1 scoop of protein powder and 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. All we do now is put the blender on, give it a shake, haven't used this for a while. Get yourself a glass, or you can drink it out the bottle here. And there you go guys, a delicious smoothie. And this is for 1 person. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.